Okay, so this is your host, your crazy for Unity Profusion, which is a music producer, a channel from this energy. We all have this energy, it's not only mine, it's from all. So try from all of us. Try to focus on these powerful good results in your life. So before I was saying like that I wanted to talk about something, but I will do like this video is more like about his experience talking to this sensei. Um, because when you meet someone that is old and wise, and it give you confirmations and also tell you some stuff that resonate with you, so to share. So he said a lot of things, but all the things I made two videos before, so you can check it as well. So he was saying like our mission is to learn, and all the things that we learn, if it is good for others, sorry, will be good for to share and expand your knowledge to other people. I always have this, but also in my life I was knowing that the person who will resonate with this will be the one to change the other ones, even though if they just hit the wall or whatever million times, at the end is their own reality. If you go to check about the I don't know law of assumption and all this, you can change, of course. You can do robotic affirmation as a video if you want to change like someone. It's not more like you change someone. It's like you change the reception of them and all situations, and then it will reflect on you. And I went through like this, like, oh, why I have this bad encounters or whatever. Because as well, we are still living in Earth, so we are just learning. So be nice with you. Also, something that I would say to myself, like, be nice. Don't be so tough. He says something like that as well. Don't be so tough. And everything is all evolution, and life is strange. It's like natural, you know. So you have to be open to learn. And sometimes uh, this kind of situation that we are living, not sometimes, it's always like learning. It's learning to connect. If you like to connect real and really with your with love, you can just do things against it, but then the life will be again and again like giving you things that for you to understand that you are this and you have free will and you're a creator. I have the same clothes because this is the same way that I'm recording all of this because I had this screen yesterday, so I think it was good to meet him. The funny thing is I don't know the name because when I ask you what is your name, my name is Lindsay, so he's really in the character. I like that. It's like okay, I will not ask for anything else because yes, you are so wise and yeah. So he was saying a lot of things. We had a really good conversation. Some conversation maybe I will not share, but the most important is you don't have to fear. You have to be focused on love, being in having a good mentality, positive mentality. Don't worry if you before don't have or you are around people that don't have. At the end is what is in your side, and you can always change by introspection. He do martial arts, martial arts. this is very well. You understand karate, and this is another way to be really in the moment, like a meditation, because you have to be focused on how you move your body. I don't know so much about this because I never did martial art, but it's worth if I think I can understand. So that's why he seeing it like all this wise energy that I'm holding for all the bad things that I had, but I choose to change and see the good things and be open. And that's why I always meeting really good people and everything. It's in your power, yeah, or whatever you are watching. You have the power in your life, so try to be focused on that. Try to love yourself and try to don't be tough on you. Like, oh, why I created this? No, it's okay. You are learning and everything is good. We are not in a competition with no one, only with us, but it's also not. If you are good as you are, and you can always be better because it's about it. Like, it's about that. So, okay, remember all this. And then if you resonate, please subscribe and like, comment. I will be and go to Spotify and follow me. I will have all the links here if you want to talk, whatever, go. And I'm not like superhero girl, but I really like Spider-Man because it's really amazing that thing like you know that something can bite you and give you powers. And also in this, there have different realities, and in one universe we see things, etc. So I like this. Anyways, and of course, then the movies, the last movies, Asian Maya and Shay. So, but before Sanaya, I was always really into Spider-Man. I really like because I like it sci-fi, but in not those sci-fi that they tried us to focus in something that I think sometimes I think like the people is boring. That's why they want to focus on negative. But this is a huge and big conversation that I will not talk today. But if you want to ask me, I think it's everything that is created in a bad way is because I don't know. I can only see in my view, you know. But remember that you have the power. Gummy bear. Okay, love you and see you next. Oh, I love this song. Stay with me forever.